Hi! In front of me is Oppo A53s, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings, scroll down and tap on additional settings. Then keyboard and input method, Gboard and theme. Over here, click on this plus sign under my themes and select the photo that you wish to apply. I will go with that one. Tap on it, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. After that, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, click on done and click on the switcher next to keyboards to switch them on or off. When you're ready, just apply and simply go back. And now, as you can see, my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!